day 3 of me working, and I just missed my train. I see it just stopping right now, and I ain't running. And even if I was running, I was not making it. So, yeah. Here's a bit. Hopefully I get a picture today because I look wrong. But I'm going with bare face today because I have to make a video today. So, I'm going to have to have on no makeup. Oh yeah, I got AirPods again, by the way. You know I cannot live without my AirPods. I have to buy me a new pair. So everybody keeps staring at me. So I'm talking to you guys when I get to work because this is kind of weird. Alright guys, so I'm walking to my job now. I can't really see the camera, so hopefully I look good. It was perfect. Got here like at 10 something. I have to be there at 11, so I got here like at 10:32. But now it's 10:45. Oop. So I'm gonna be early. Alright guys, so I'm walking to the thing now. I'm gonna be like 10 minutes early.
From 7 to 11. Gotcha. It is at, it's definitely in Waynesburg off of Canton Avenue. It's a place called Grwm. But you get complimentary beer and you're getting giveaways.
Terrifying, and I'm just telling him to stop and stop. Confidence in Alex Acosta. But these same sources also tells me that my mood could change.
Chris, pass me a tacky like what you? I prefer the...
One of these plants? Yep, in case of emergencies. My invention, called the soup shoot.
Clip this to, you can try like, it's gonna be complicated, but try and like clip it where it's like this mic part is like up.
Okay.
And you can just, this could probably be able to sit on the floor. Alright,
I'm really feeling. Is it bad if they could see it?
no, it doesn't really matter.
Okay.
Alright, so you real quick.
Hello.
Okay, alright. Chris? Alright, so I'm about to step out real quick to get the makeup for Layla. Can you handle this while I step out? I'll break the chair.
Icylinn.
Are you naming like black Ivy schools?
Yeah, but I know other ones that have like good like programs.
The black college. I mean, I would go to any college. I really don't care.
Yeah, I mean, I'm biased. I'm totally biased.
So let's just get the audio going one last time.
So after 10 minutes, guys, here are my lashes. I don't think they're gonna fall off. They feel secured. I feel like I could just go on any roller coaster and they won't go anywhere. Alright guys, so I just got done shooting. Now I have on a full face of makeup, which I really didn't want to have on, but it's on. So, and I don't have no makeup wipes because those were not mine. There was this girl that also works with me, so yeah. But I guess it's gonna be look good for the pictures, even though today I want some pictures with my bare face, but it's totally fine. It's totally fine. Ugh, it's musty out here. Alright guys, so I don't know why, but I'm not hungry and I'm very scared because I didn't even go out for lunch because I wasn't hungry. Because lunch was at 1:30 or 1 o'clock. Yeah, something like that. Didn't go out for lunch and I'm still not hungry. My job is by like this Amazon pickup place, which is so cool. Yeah, they have that pickup place there. They be having mad boxes in their car. It's like crazy. Oh my, let me get that. I think it's called something like Fast Zip. I don't even know. You already know. Of course when I see this. When I see this, whatever. So now I'm walking to the train station. Basically I'm going. Okay, I have to go pick up my boyfriend's sister again, but only one because one left to go back home. So I'm picking up the younger one because she wants to come over again. I don't know what happened, but if I remember to record. So, and I might get something to eat. I don't know, because I passed all the food places. Because I don't like this neighborhood. This neighborhood is so weird. I just want to go back to my part because I'm based technically in Queens. So when I get back to Brooklyn, that was so nasty. Okay, what I'm gonna do is just basically, okay, go the same way as yesterday. Okay, don't know why they're stopping, but let me go, hurry up and go under. Cause we do free fare over here. No, I'm just playing. Don't do that. Don't do what I do. That's it for today. This is day 3, I think, right? Pretty sure this is day 3. So, yeah, it is. So I'm gonna see you guys.
I want you on my page,